So you already shop at Amazon. Why not make money off them too, right? So today we're going to be talking about how to make money with Amazon, okay? The program is called Amazon Associates, and basically what it is, it's an affiliate marketing program where you can get a small commission from 0 to 10% for products that you refer to other people. So basically what is affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing is simply referring people to products and getting a commission off that. So the advantage of affiliate marketing, right? You don't have to have inventory on physical products. It doesn't cost you any money to start unless you want to start a blog post. In some places you can get it for free, but I would recommend like a kind of a WordPress site. Of course, as you know, Amazon is the biggest marketplace in the world. People go there to shop. People are expecting to buy stuff when they go there. So why not give your affiliate link to someone? When they click on the link, then you make a small commission. So let's go ahead and get started. Sign up and start making profits on it, right? So how to make money off Amazon Associates. So they do have a few rules that you need to understand. Basically, you have to have some type of presence on the internet, whether it be a blog, whether it be a YouTube channel, Instagram, whatever. In the application for the Amazon Associates program, there will be a link to say, hey, where's your website? Or, where's your how are you going to promote this program, basically. The first thing, you can either start up a YouTube channel, Instagram, whatever you guys got, or what I would recommend and how I got accepted is to make a blog, right? So I'll leave links in the description below on how you can make a blog and all that stuff, but it doesn't cost you much. Some places are free, but the one I recommend is the one that I'll put in the description below. But you don't need to if you don't want to. YouTube channel will be just fine, and it's free and all that good stuff. But anyways, once you sign up for a YouTube channel or whatever, or you already have a YouTube channel, if you're watching this on YouTube, then you're good to go. You should be good to go. I can't guarantee that you'll be accepted or anything like that, but Amazon Associates is one of the easiest affiliate programs to be accepted to. It was the very first program that I got accepted to. So and I didn't have any followers at all, or any subscribers or anything, right? All I had was this one page with a few articles on there, and they accepted me. So it's not hard to get accepted into, and it will probably be one of the most simplest ones. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's just say that you have a blog. If not, sign up for the blog, or get to YouTube. So let's assume that you're past that stage. Let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to go into Amazon. So once you log into Amazon, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down, not all the way down. Once you see all this stuff, that's too far down, but scroll most all the way down where you'll see make money with us. Okay, so you can sell products, sell apps, but what we're going to do is become an affiliate. Okay, why are we going to be affiliate? Because number one, it doesn't cost anything, right? So if you want to start a business that doesn't cost anything or very little, so Amazon Associates program is one of the ones that I would suggest that you start off with. Now, it doesn't pay that much, 0 to 10%. You would want to branch out into other things. So definitely binge watch all the other YouTube videos that I got in this category of affiliate marketing, as well as I'll leave a link to my blog where you can read more about it. Let's go ahead and finish signing up. Okay, just wanted to let you know that's a very important point there. Click here, sign up. What is it? It's the Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. It's one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. What you do is you sign up, you recommend products. This is through what I'm doing now, either YouTube channel, Instagram, this, that, Facebook, whatever, or a blog, which I would recommend because you want to start a mailing list. Okay. But anyways, and then you earn money. So up to 10% commissions from the time of this recording. Let's go ahead and sign up. You put in your information, or actually you need to click here to create your Amazon account. If you don't already have an affiliate account, which you won't, you put your name, email, enter your information. So I've already signed up for this, so it'll give you all the terms and conditions. It'll ask you for your name, all that information, put everything correctly, and it'll ask you for that link of your website or whatever. So definitely put that in there. Okay, so once you get accepted, this is what you would see. This is the home page of the Amazon Associates program. So basically, the big advantage of the Amazon, if I didn't say it already, is you have a wide range of products. Anything that you can think of. If you're a pet guy like me, I like fish. You can recommend fish products to people. If you like plants, you can recommend plant stuff to people. If you like technology stuff. Speaking of fish, if you like fish, I'll leave a link to my fish YouTube channel, in the link below if you want to take care of fish. But anyways, if you like whatever, cars, or if you like anything. So it's a wide range of different products. So anything, right? The way you would do this is once you sign up, you would go to your just go to Amazon, right? And then you will see the stripe, Amazon Associates site strip, okay? So let's say that you want to look for dog toys, right? Dog toys, all right? So you say, oh man, yeah, I like this dog toy right here. I bought these before, okay? And I would want to recommend these to somebody else, all right? So what you do, you come up here and you say, get the link, boom. There's the link, okay? Very short. Copy that, copy, and then you take this link and you paste it into your blog post. So say that you make a blog post about the best dog toys for your Cocker Spaniel or whatever, it doesn't matter. And so you write a blog post and you say, hey, this is the toy that I bought. If you want to buy this toy, click here to buy it. When the users click there, they go to the Amazon site right here, you get a commission off it. If you're a tech guy and you say, hey, I want to review products or talk about technology, and might as well make a little bit extra money on the side, do the technology. As a matter of fact, if you want to see how I did my tech channel, the YouTube channel, I'll leave my YouTube channel in the link below as well. So if you like technology, subscribe to me on YouTube, and I'll leave the channel below. Alright, so how much can you make so what is the commission structure on Amazon? Let's take a look here. You'll see that as of right now, the commission structure is games 20%, luxury beauty supply 10, digital music, physical music, handmade, digital videos 5, PCs, if you want to sell PCs, televisions, and there's a special thing called Bounty. So if you want to do Prime Video channels, free trial, you get $2.50 for every Prime Video channel that you refer for a free trial. Baby registries, $3. So they got a couple of different type of plans here. Take a look at all these. I'll leave a link to the, or you can just search for commission structures, whatever. Here's the Prime Video channels right here, home pages that you can refer to. For example, if you like CBS All Access, you can say, hey everybody, I saw this show on CBS All Access. If you like to talk about TV shows on YouTube, you can say, oh yeah, this was on CBS. Click here to get a free trial, whatever. And then you get commission off the free trial, right? Trade-in programs, Prime Video channels, right? NBA League Pass, you get commission on that. So there is just a wide variety of different things to get commissions on. I'll also leave a link in the description below to my blog, which details the information about affiliate marketing with Amazon down in the link below. So once you sign up for the Amazon Associates program, what do? Right? You got signed up, you can refer people, create the blog, and then start driving traffic. A different way to start driving traffic as well is to do social media. Maybe the Instagram post says, hey, I like dogs, right? Or something, you got you say, hey, I just bought this dog thing, go click here to get to the dog thing, right? Whatever. But for me, mostly what I do is the YouTube channel and the blog. That directs the visitors to the particular product or service. The main thing is don't try to supersell people, right? I mean, that's it. It's kind of like, hey, it's a natural kind of referral type thing. You could try to supersell people, do some Facebook ads, whatever, ads. That's not what I do. There's other courses, and I'll leave some courses on how to do ads and whatever and that kind of stuff. But really, this is content marketing that I'm talking about. Content marketing means you put a lot of value into your post. You talk about, for example, let's talk about the fish thing, right? I talk about the fish. I give good information. And then when the people like me and trust me, they say, yeah, this guy knows what he's talking about. I say, all right, if you like this, click the link and then go buy your thing, you know. So that's the general idea of, hopefully I conveyed it properly to you. Get the sign up, get your blog or YouTube, sign up for the Amazon Associates, subscribe to this channel, because I'll give on the next video or in a future video what I'll show you. Once you get this all set up on your blog, okay, or YouTube channel, I will show you affiliate programs that, or affiliate marketplaces where, similar to Amazon, where you can make even bigger commissions, up to 50% commissions, 75% commissions. I mean, this is the real deal. If you want to start a business with no or little money, that you can work from home, right? Or anywhere, basically, anywhere with the internet connection. You need to have internet, right? It'll cost you money for internet, whatever that costs, wherever you're at. Then this may be a good opportunity for you. So give me a like if you like this. You know, hopefully I didn't forget anything, but if I do, I'll leave all that. I'll leave everything in my blog post on affiliate marketing with Amazon. So I'll leave that below. But give me a comment. Tell me any questions that you might have. I'll answer your questions the best I can. And like, comment, subscribe, do all those things. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. And as always, keep hustling. Peace.